Hi all, welcome to Aruru Naturals. Today, we are diving into the amazing benefits of gram flour for your skin. Gram flour is known for its natural detoxifying properties. It helps cleanse the body from within, leading to clearer, healthier skin. By flushing out toxins, it reduces the risk of breakouts and gives you that natural glow. Packed with anti-inflammatory properties, gram flour helps calm irritated skin. It can be particularly helpful for those with acne or redness, reducing swelling and promoting a smooth complexion. Gram flour also works to balance your skin's pH level, making it less prone to conditions like dryness or oiliness. A balanced pH helps maintain your skin's natural barrier. Gram flour is loaded with vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C and antioxidants, which help repair skin damage, prevent premature aging, and keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Aruru Naturals for more skincare tips and natural remedies.